Dude, did my chat just break? So today, well, for you guys yesterday, you know, I had a really good stream going. We had people in chat, we had people talking, you know, all that. And all of a sudden my chat froze. Dude, my chat broke, it stopped moving. There we go. Now I see my chat. Now my chat's updated. Hello chat. Sorry, dude, my chat wasn't working. It froze. My chat froze up. I'm so sorry, everyone. I didn't notice it. I lost a lot of my views. I even saw some potential new people that were in the chat. I just didn't see it because my chat froze up. When I refreshed it, I saw it, but they were already gone. Oh my gosh. Dude, I just lost like so many viewers. I was wondering why no one was answering. No, dude, it was frozen. It didn't move anymore. That's why I was like, dude, why isn't anyone answering anymore? So if you guys do stream on YouTube, refresh your chat sometimes, because it could be that it stopped moving because it froze. This is the first time it has happened to me. I really don't want it to happen again, so I will be refreshing it. I just want to give you guys the heads up that that could happen. So my tip to you guys is refresh your chat if you're streaming on YouTube, on Twitch and whatever. It doesn't really happen, that I know. But for me, it was the first time that that happened to me. I don't want it to happen to you, so I definitely want to give you a heads up on that, just in case you're wondering why your chat stops moving and you're an idiot like me and you don't really click that something's wrong. I hope this quick info did help you out. It's not really, you know, like a streaming tip kind of video, but well, sort of. You know, it's kind of new. It happened to me, so I really don't want it to happen to you either. If you have ever had an issue like this before, write a comment down below, or even better, there is a link down below to my Discord. Check that out. You can just ping me in my Discord, tell me what happened, and that would be great. I would make another video about it, maybe something else on a different platform that may have happened to you, that maybe other people, you know, need to know. And don't forget, I stream every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday live here on YouTube. Times are down below, so definitely check that out, and we can talk about this live on stream if my chat doesn't freeze again. So yeah, but you know, till then, keep doing what you're doing and just kill it, guys.
Jeez.
That one's a little bit weird, but this is my favorite one.
This one. Hi guys, I'm 5. You guys want to play some video games? It's like...
Yeah, what?
Try to do a whole stream using that voice.
This one?
Out laughing or
Okay guys,
smiling.
come on, let's play some Fortnite. I got my dad's credit card and we're just gonna like blow up everything. And then my dad's gonna hit me in the face and I'm gonna be like, oh shit, not again, dad.
Okay,
Norman Monday.